Hello friends, today I will discuss about linearly independent and dependent vectors. Okay, this is a topic from linear algebra. Okay, let's see first linearly dependent. Okay, let Vf be a vector space. That means V is a vector space over the field F. If finite set a1, a2, an of vectors of V. These are the vectors of the vector space V. This finite set is said to be linearly dependent if there exist scalar a1, a2, an belongs to F, not all of them 0. That means when not all of the scalars 0, in that time only we can call it this is linearly dependent. Okay, such that it's a equation, linearly combination equation, a1 alpha 1 plus a2 alpha 2 plus a3 alpha 3 plus plus an alpha n equal to 0. Okay, alpha 1 alpha 2 alpha 3 alpha n were vectors and a1 a2 a3 an, these are scalars. Okay, if and only when not all of them 0, that means this not all of them 0, in that time it's only linearly dependent. But when these all are 0, that means a1 equal to 0, a2 equal to 0, a3 equal to 0, like this, an equal to 0, that means ai equal to 0, yi 1 to n. Okay, where I 1 to n, in that time when all scalars are 0, in that time it will be linearly independent. Okay, when not all them 0, in that time linearly dependent, and when all of them are 0, in that time linearly independent. Let's see, let Vf be a vector space, a finite set alpha 1 alpha 2 alpha n of vectors of V set. Once again it will be alpha, sorry, so alpha 1 alpha 2 alpha n of vectors of V is said to be linearly independent if every relation of the form a1 alpha 1 plus a2 alpha 2 plus a3 alpha 3 plus n alpha n equal to 0. This is just an equation of linear combination. Okay, if and only when ai equal to 0, that means all the scalars a1 0, a2 0, a3 0, an 0, that means like this. Okay, in that time only it will be linearly independent. Okay, an infinite set of vectors of V is said to be linearly independent if its every finite subset is linearly independent, otherwise it is linearly independent. When only ai equal to 0, that means all scalars 0, main thing, easy thing, it's ai equal to 0, that means all scalars 0, in that time linearly independent. When not all them 0, in that time linearly dependent. This is the thing. Okay, I think you understand, I think you like. If you like, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys.